My name is Vishnu Gopal T V. I am a legal intern at LEXIS and Company. I am from Corporate School of Law, Kerala. I am a third year student pursuing BBA LLB on. So today's topic for this video is cultural and educational rights. So the purpose of this video is to analyze about the cultural and educational rights. So as we know, Article 29 of the Indian Constitution as well as Article 30 of the Indian Constitution deals with the cultural and educational rights. So, Article 29 of the Indian Constitution guarantees the rights to any section of the citizens residing in any part of the country, having a distant language, culture, or script or of its own, and to conserve the same. So Article 29 clause 2 of the Indian Constitution, it states that no citizen shall be denied admission into any education institution that are maintained by the state on the ground of their religion, race, or language or caste. So Article 30 clause 1 of the Indian Constitution guarantees all the religious minorities and linguistic minorities to establish and to administer education institutions of their own choice. So to understand this concept, there is a need to analyze some of the important case laws. That is St. John Inter College versus Girdhari Singh, as well as DAV College Bathinda versus State of Punjab, as well as Ramakrishna Mission case, and also PA Namda versus State of Maharashtra. So first we can look on to one of the important case, that is DAV College Bathinda versus State of Punjab. It is a case in 1971, and here in this case the university circular declaring the Punjabi to be taken as a medium of instruction in affiliated colleges was held to be directly infringing the rights of the minorities who have Hindi as their own language, and it is clearly violative of Article 29 clause 1 and Article 30 clause 1 of the Indian Constitution. So another relevant case that has to be looked into is St. John Inter College versus Girdhari Singh, and this is one of the important case. And here in this case, the court held that regulation can be made by the government to prevent maladministration in minority run educational institutions, and it has to be ensured that the regulatory powers of such minority would not destroy the basic character of the institution. So, and also in another case that has to be looked into here is Ramakrishna Mission case. It's a very important case, and here Ramakrishna Mission, established by Swami Vivekananda to propagate Vedanta and rules of Sri Ramakrishna Paramahamsa, is not a minority religion and hence not entitled to claim fundamental rights under Article 30 clause 1 for establishing and administrating educational institutions of their own choice. So in another case which is a very much relevant one is PA Namda versus State of Maharashtra. It is a case of 2005 case, and here in this case the court laid down certain conditions in the nature of regulation on state aid or affiliation, and the conditions are such as the non-minority students cannot be forced to join minority run education institutions, as well as minority status should not be determined based on the population of our country, but as to the whole by reference to the demography of the state. And also privately or private educational institutions cannot be forced for providing seat or seat sharing with the state, and also a limited seats not exceeding 15% may be reserved for NRIs according to the discretion of the management. And also in administration to privately run education institution can be done through a common entrance test, and privately run education institutions can fix their own fee structure, but it is subjected to certain restriction of the state to prevent profiteering, and these education institutions should not charge capitation fee also. So these are all about Article 29 and Article 30 of the Indian Constitution, and we have also looked into some of the important cases. So that's all about the topic. So you can like, subscribe and comment on my video, and do like and subscribe our YouTube channel Let's Click, and please give me a feedback regarding this video. And if you have any questions relating to this video, you may please comment that question in the comment box, and I will be replying as soon as possible. So this video does not solicit any types of promotion or advertisement as per the guidelines of Bar Council of India, and the sole purpose of this video is for educational purposes only. So by saying these words, I am concluding. Thank you.